how shades of ground the image, how light makes it emerge, how to create depth, how to create richness, how to find corresponding colors. Let's say a particular object you painted is green. What are the corresponding colors? Maybe blue, maybe red, maybe yellow. And this is contingent and conducive on the before and after effect, like the past, present, and future of a particular, let's say, a biodegradable object. Let's say like an apple or a pear. Things that are biodegradable. Things that are biologically degradable, that have a particular color. Past, present, and future, the corresponding color, the relationship to the present state of the actual painting you're drawing has a lot to do. It's like a red pepper. Prior to it was green. And when the red started to deteriorate, it may turn yellow. So the corresponding color for, let's say, a red pepper is green and yellow. So these are the two colors you need to take into consideration when you're talking about correspondence. If you decide to incorporate any particular color in a primary image that we tend to illustrate and demonstrate, we need to take green and yellow into consideration. So it's a fascinating phenomenon. Yeah.